Welcome. In this video I will show you how to right click on your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. Since this laptop doesn't have any physical keys on its trackpad, you can either tap your trackpad with two fingers at once, or you can also press it with two fingers at once in order to perform the right click functions. By default, pressing launcher and clicking your trackpad will also do the same thing, and you can adjust these settings by opening the control center on your laptop, then go into settings by clicking the gear icon here. Then you're gonna have to go to device section, select touchpad, and here we can enable or disable tap to click, and you can also change the additional key to use with your touchpad to perform right click. So we can use launcher click, which is the default option, or we can change it to alt click, which will perform the right click function if we hold down alt key and press our touchpad. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.